Hi guys, I'm Tyne and welcome to Tiny DIYs, where I talk about crafts and home improvement hacks. For this episode, I was thinking of teaching you how to make your own reusable cotton pads. So if you wear makeup like me, you probably know that the best way to remove makeup is to use a makeup remover like this and some cotton, like the cotton balls you can buy from the supermarket or some cotton pads you can buy from beauty shops. But it's not really that sustainable. The cotton is disposable and it ends up in a dump site somewhere, so we're just adding to the problem of global trash. Some stores already sell reusable cotton pads, but I decided to make my own because it's cheaper and you save up on shipping. All you need is 100% cotton yarn like this and a crochet hook, and you'll end up with a cotton pad like this. So before we watch the video, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that bell button for notifications. For this quick project, we're using 100% cotton yarn. This one is from the brand Lily Sugar and Cream. It's soft to the skin unlike other synthetic yarns, but durable enough that it can withstand being washed regularly. I'm making a simple circular pad. Nothing fancy, so we're starting with a slip knot and then we'll chain 4. We then connect the ends to turn it into a circle by inserting the crochet hook into the first chain and then securing it with a slip stitch by yarning over, pulling through the 2 loops. Once that's done and you have a circle, we chain 3. For this second row, we are going to use the double crochet stitch. So yarn over and then insert the hook into the center of the circle. Yarn over again, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, then pull through 2 loops again. So now we have 2 stitches in this ring. We'll continue until we have 10 more, so we have 12 in total. Yarn over, insert into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. And then yarn over and pull through 2 again. You can notice here that I am tightening my stitches. It's to keep the pad tight because when you use it repeatedly, it can become loose with the holes showing. It doesn't really affect the reusability of the pad, but I tend to waste more makeup remover or toner if the solution drips through those holes. Once you have those 12 stitches, you close the circle with a slip stitch through the top of the first chain 3. As you can see, I am tightening the hole in the middle of my pad by pulling on the other end of the yarn. So now we're working on the second row of our circle. To begin, chain 3 again. In that same space where you did the chain, you'll make a double crochet stitch. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2 again. Now for each top of the first row stitches, you will be making 2 double crochets. Just continue doing that until you have 2 double crochets in each of the 12 first row stitches. You'll end up with 24 stitches for this row. Now you can actually make a bigger pad by making another row on top of this, but I want my pads to be smaller than the palm of my hand. So this will be my last row. As you can see, I continue keeping my stitches in tension tight so the pad is compact. Let's fast forward the rest of the stitches and then just end with a slip stitch again to secure the circle. Now I don't want my pad to unravel when I do the laundry, so I'm going to secure the end of the yarn into the project by using a tapestry needle. If you're using multicolored yarn like me, try and hide the extra yarn in the same colored part of the project. Once done securing the ends, simply cut them off. So now that you've finished crocheting your reusable cotton pad, let's try it out. So all you need is a makeup remover, and then put some on the pad and gently remove the makeup from your face. You can already see some blush on that, so it's definitely effective. Now let me show you how I am able to remove all my makeup using a single pad and some makeup remover. Now all I need to do is to throw this in the laundry and it's done. I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial video. To see more do-it-yourself hacks, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications. See you next time!